A C string is an array of characters terminated with a null value. This is sometimes referred to as a C string or a null-terminated string to distinguish it from object-oriented string types. The character type is an integer type of a size suitable for holding a single character, which is 8 bits on most common systems. A string in C is an array of these characters terminated with a 0 value, so this 6-character string takes up 7 values in the array. Let's take a look at this in code. Make a working copy of cstrings.cpp and we'll paste it here into our working project. And I'll double click on that and open it in the editor. So here we have that same string, 6 characters long, and this is actually taking up 7 bytes inside of the array. See, we print it with cout and we also iterate through the array with a for loop. I'm going to add to this right here. I'm going to say cout length of array. And we'll use the size of operator, C string, like that. So let's go ahead and compile and run this, and we'll scroll up to the top. The length of the array is 7, even though there's 6 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The length of the array is 7 because that 7th byte holds the null. So you see, this is built into the C language. I initialize this array like this. I make a character array and I initialize it with a literal string, and it's actually adding that null byte to it. It's putting all 7 bytes of that into it. So that literal string is actually a C string. It's an array of characters with a null terminator. And that's a built-in paradigm built into the C language and also, of course, in C++. So then we print out the string. We see there's the 6 characters of the string, and that's line 9 there, that cout. And then we print out each of those characters one by one, iterating through it with the for loop there in lines 11, 12, and 13. So C strings are a very simple form of strings, much simpler than the string class provided by the C++ STL. For circumstances where you don't need the power of object-oriented strings, C strings are simple, they're small, they're fast, and they're very commonly used even in C++. Now let's delete the working file and run clean to get set up for the next lesson.